dysplasia is all about. But what are the health implications of hip and elbow dysplasia in large breed dogs? Let's look at them. So, if you have a large breed dog, there is a high possibility that your dog could have hip and elbow dysplasia, right? Because of the way they are built. Rottweilers, Brabos, Cane Corsos, German Shepherds, all these dogs are very likely to have hip and elbow dysplasia. Now, this is also as a result of the fact that these dogs grow very quickly as pups. In some cases, they gain 2 to 5 pounds per week very quickly. And all of this is impacting on the hip and elbow of these dogs. And also, genetic too is also one major factor that leads to hip and elbow dysplasia, right? Genetics. That's why it's advised that when people are breeding, they should do proper investigation. Although we are going to be talking about that later on during the course of this video. So let's look at some of the health implications of hip and elbow dysplasia on large breed dogs. Firstly, hip and elbow dysplasia leads to pain and lameness. This dog suffers excessive pain. He's no longer interested in going out on walks. He's no longer interested in playing cash. He's just staying at a particular place. And sometimes the hip gets stiff. The hip of this dog gets stiff. He finds it practically difficult to move. This is one of the major effects of hip and elbow dysplasia, right? And it reduces mobility. It also leads to low quality of life. This dog is no longer happy. He's just staying at a particular place. It doesn't engage in the activities that it usually engage in, you know. So these are some of the health implications. Also, it also leads to osteoarthritis, which causes joint instability, remodeling, and inflammation, cartilage erosion, leading to permanent arthritis. You know, so this thing is very, very devastating for dogs, especially large breed dogs, because arthritis, they find it difficult to move, right? So these are some of the health implications of hip and elbow dysplasia for large breed dogs. Now, how can it be prevented? How can it be